Have you ever wondered what would happen if our sun, the very source of life on Earth, suddenly vanished and was replaced by a black hole? Sounds terrifying, right? But would Earth be instantly swallowed? Would our solar system spiral into chaos? Or is the reality even more shocking? Today, on Knowledge Hub, we're about to explore this terrifying cosmic scenario in mind-blowing detail. So fasten your seatbelts, because this journey into darkness starts now. Before we dive into this nightmare, let's quickly understand what a black hole is. A black hole forms when a massive star, much larger than our sun, collapses under its own gravity after it dies. The result? An object so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. Black holes come in various sizes. Stellar mass black holes, a few times the mass of our sun, supermassive black holes, millions or billions of times more massive, and theoretically primordial black holes, smaller ones formed after the Big Bang. But here's the twist. Not all black holes go around swallowing everything in sight. Their danger depends on distance. Now, let's set the stage for our cosmic horror movie. We'll assume a black hole with the same mass as our sun appears instantly in its place. This is important because gravity only depends on mass, not light. Meaning, if a black hole of one solar mass replaced the sun, Earth's orbit wouldn't change immediately. We'd keep orbiting as before because the gravitational pull remains the same, but that's where the good news ends. Without sunlight, temperatures would start plummeting. Photosynthesis would stop, killing plants. The food chain would collapse within weeks. Within 7 days, the average temperature would fall below freezing. After a year, temperatures could reach -73 degrees Celsius or -100 degrees Fahrenheit. Earth would slowly transform into a frozen, lifeless world. But there's another problem. If the black hole replaced the sun instantly, it wouldn't have much material around it to feed on. But over time, dust, asteroids, planets, even comets might spiral toward it. As matter falls into a black hole, it heats up, creating a deadly accretion disk of super-hot plasma. This could flood the inner solar system with X-rays and gamma rays. If Earth wandered too close, life would be cooked. Without the sun's light, the sky would become pitch black, even during what was once daytime. The black hole itself would appear like a dark sphere surrounded by a glowing halo of distorted stars, thanks to gravitational lensing. It would be beautiful, but deadly. Now comes the terrifying long-term effect. Even though Earth stays in its orbit for a while, it won't last forever. Without solar wind and radiation pressure, the planet's orbits could destabilize over millions of years. Gravitational interactions with other planets could slowly shift Earth's path, sending us either spiraling toward the black hole or drifting out into interstellar space, forever frozen. Is there any hope? Well, deep beneath Earth's surface or near hydrothermal vents in the oceans, some life might survive for a time, powered by geothermal energy. Humanity could theoretically build underground cities or nuclear-powered habitats, but this would only be a temporary solution. Without the sun, long-term survival becomes nearly impossible. Now imagine if the black hole wasn't the same mass as the sun, but much larger. A supermassive black hole placed in our solar system would destroy everything quickly. Its gravity would rip apart the inner planets, swallow asteroids, and send debris flying across space. Earth wouldn't stand a chance. But here's a crazy twist. Some scientists believe rogue planets, planets not bound to any star, might orbit black holes at safe distances, using energy from accretion disks or gravitational heating. Could an advanced civilization survive near a black hole? Maybe, but for us, replacing the sun with a black hole means certain doom. Let's imagine Earth's last days. As our orbit decays, tides from the black hole grow stronger. Massive earthquakes tear apart continents. Oceans boil away under increasing radiation. As Earth spirals closer, the tidal forces stretch the planet, creating a horrifying effect called spaghettification. Eventually, Earth would be shredded apart, and its remains would swirl into the black hole forever. The sun is not just a light in the sky, it is life itself. Without it, our fragile planet would descend into eternal darkness and face one of the most terrifying deaths in the universe. Thankfully, this is only a thought experiment, but it reminds us how lucky we are to have our sun shining down on us every day. Cherish it, because in the vast, unforgiving cosmos, stars don't last forever. If you enjoyed this cosmic horror scenario, there's plenty more coming your way. For more videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.